Hello, in this video, I'm going to help you how to apply for National Defense Academy 2021. Today, the notification has come. The exam is on 18th of April. So, this is a website you have to go upsconline.nic.in. If you don't have this, I will give this in the description. You can click and directly go to this website. Once you reach here, you can see here a lot of options are there. Okay. Now what we have to choose is the first one, online application for various examination of UPSC. Once you click here, you'll go to the next page where you'll have a lot of details. So here it is given as NDA 1 2021. So date of notification, that is today, December 30, 2020, and last date to apply is 19th January 2021. Don't wait for till last day. Normally they give 1 month, but nowadays they are not giving 1 month. Just 20 days you have to apply, and before 6 o'clock you have to apply. Okay, so it has got two parts. Part 1 is there and part 2 is there. Both you have to apply, then only your application will be accepted. Okay, now let us go to the part 1. Okay, now once you go to the part 1, they'll give you a lot of instructions, important instruction to fill online application. Please go through all this information. Okay, then only you'll understand what they are saying and how you can apply for this. Okay, so there are 19 instructions are there. Please go through all the instruction before applying. Okay, I have already gone through, but I want you to, I will not say what is this instruction. I want you to go through, then only you will understand. Any doubt is there, you can call me in the number 9959916183, or you can send me a message also, or simply comment. I'll reply it as early as possible. Okay, now I have read this already, so I'm going to the next section, how to apply for it. So here I have to give the name of the candidate. Okay, so I'm giving my name. Then you can apply. Okay, male. Okay, only male can apply, so I'm gonna change that. Okay, date of birth. Okay, date of birth, I'm giving okay. Then my father's name. Okay, my mother's name. Okay, nationality Indian, unmarried, all these are same, we cannot change that. Okay, okay, community. Now here very important. Okay, if you are saying that you are a OBC, or you are saying that you are other than general category, then you have to say creamy layer or not creamy layer. If you have a confusion about creamy layer, not creamy layer, please let me know. I'll make a separate video for this. Okay, so here I am saying that do you belong to creamy layer? Okay, I say no. Okay, if it is there, then I have to submit the certificate also. Okay, community certificate date. Okay, so as if now there is no reservation, but still they are asking these details. Okay, if you are giving other than general category, then you have to give the date of your certificate when it was issued. Okay, so I am giving on 15th of December it was issued. Okay, so you have to check your this one. Okay, whether what is the date given. Okay, minority or non-minority. Okay, if I say I belong to minority, then these are things considered to be minority in India. Other than Hindu, everybody else is a minority. Muslim, Christian, Sikh, Buddhist, Zoroastrian, Jain. Okay, so I can give okay minority. Okay, now this fees has to be paid. Okay, has to be paid. Okay, now why it has to be paid? Okay, when I say general category. Okay. So fees remission is allowed. Okay, fees remission is not allowed. Okay, if it is allowed, then you have to be okay. It depends upon your category. Okay, so here I am just checking it again. OBC, I am saying on creamy layer no. Okay, and I'm giving the date as 15th. Okay, do you belong to this one? I'm giving yes. Okay, saying this. Now education qualification, here two possibilities there. One is you have completed +2 or you are appearing for +2. +1 students cannot apply for NDA. Please always remember that +1 students cannot apply. Only the +2 you have completed or you are going to complete. Okay, so if I see in that another category is that you're having physics chemistry or not having physics chemistry. Okay, so past +2 of 10th two patterns, +2 patterns of school education of equivalent, but not having physics. I'll give having physics max. Okay, normally this is the most popular thing. Here I can give the address. Okay, you have to give proper address. What is otherwise communication will not come to you. Okay, so give proper address. Okay, then state I am giving. Okay, district I am giving. Okay, then mobile number I am giving my mobile number. Like this, you can give your mobile number. Okay, email ID. Yes, Vijay. For this is my email ID. You can put your email ID. So you have to confirm this also. Okay, because this email ID is where your confirmation, your this one will come. If alternate email is there, you can give, or otherwise you can continue. Okay, so all these details are to be your best of knowledge, should be perfect. You should not change anything. Okay, then ID proof. Okay, you can take school ID or you can take Aadhaar. Okay, driving license, PAN card, passport, anything you can take. Okay, and you can submit. Okay, then photo identity card number. That means whatever you are giving here, for example, you are giving Aadhaar here, then Aadhaar number should be typed here. Okay, and confirm photo identity. So again, 2 times you will type the same thing. Understood? So that you will do. Then preferences, when it comes, normally people give Air Force as first preference. Okay, then you can give Navy as, or you can give Naval Academy also second preference. Then you can give Navy. Then you can give Army. These are the preferences available. Okay, this is any already computerized pilot selection system. Okay, we call as this one. PABT, PABT. Okay, if you have failed, then you have to say yes, I failed. Okay, if you're not failed, then no. Okay, likewise here, Air Force duty. Okay, would you like to be considered as for Air Force ground duty? Yes or no? Okay, that also you can give. Okay, if you're a student of Sainik school, military school, yes or no? Okay, then you have to say, 1 minute, let me choose this. So the next, this one. Okay, whether son of a JCO, if your father was in Army or Navy or Air Force and he was a JCO, NCO, okay, JCO means Junior Commissioned Officer, okay. So all this, then you have to say yes or no, you can say. Then you have to give continue. Aadhaar card, okay, so here I have to give the proper Aadhaar card, okay. Take my card. Instead of Aadhaar card, I can give school ID. Anything I can give basically. Please select option in which you did fail. Okay, so here I said fail, no, so asking us to fail, so I'll say no, fail. Normally we don't fail here. Okay, or this is the first time, mostly you people are applying for first time. Let me continue. Photo enter identity card should have a length of in 5 to 20. So this and all number you should give properly. Okay, so once you fill this, you will get this one. Okay, this is your complete application which you have filed. Okay, now here cross check it everything, whether you have given properly everything you have given or not. Okay, so each of this you check it properly. Only when you are okay that I have yes, everything is correct. Okay, then you will give here. If you want to change, you can click on this update and then you can change it also. Okay, then you can do a, and that captcha you have to type. Okay, then you have to say I agree. Okay, once you click agree, okay, then what happens? You cannot change the, you cannot change once you agree this, you cannot change, just it's confirming it whether you want to confirm it. Okay, yes, you can give. I think my code was wrong. Okay. So give this code properly. Okay, as it is 1 it will change every time. I have doubt whether it is a, okay, I think that is a 0. Okay, so it is not O. So properly give the this one. Yeah, so once I fill this, it is coming like this. Okay. Now this is only part 1 is completed. So you have to, this you may get as a mail or it will come to you as a this also is that a SMS also. This is very important. With this registration ID only, we'll be applying it in the second part also. So here it is, registration ID is there. Okay, please copy down this and keep it safe. Okay, if you want, you can print this and you can keep it as PDF also possible in your system itself. Okay, yeah, you can save it and check. Okay, now going to the second part. See, always remember you have to do both the part. Okay, part 1 as well as part 2, both you have to do, then only the application is valid. Okay, so I'm clicking on part 2. Okay, so here I have given this one. Okay, then here it is asking my date of birth. Okay, then again one more captcha I have to do. Okay, I have not given proper date. Look at this, you have to do it very clearly how to give it. Okay, otherwise but anyway, and do it aram se without any this one. Okay, do it in a comfortable time, don't be hurry. These are record, it will be kept forever. You have to keep it safe. Yeah, once I have done this, I'll come to the next stage where I have to upload my photo. Okay, then I have to upload my signature. Okay, then I have to upload my ID card which I have given there, no other. Okay, same ID card I have to upload here. So once I upload this, then I have to give this. Okay, and you can have to resize it if you want to have a resize, like they will say that resizing and all will be possible here, how to resize and all. If you have still have a doubt, please let me know, I will help you out, no issues. Okay. Okay, so this is how you select this. After selecting this, you have to do the payment also. Okay. Once you do the payment, then the process complete. If in case you have any doubt, okay, please call me. Okay, the number 9959916183. The number I'll give in the description also. This link also I have given. Okay, so both you have to apply. Okay, only apply, then you get a second part is also, part 2 is also completed successfully. That message you have to get. Okay, and keep this application safe, because it is required in case of any further details UPSC is asking how to furnish the information. So we are also giving a coaching for NDA. Okay, online coaching we are giving. You can attend the classes. Any other doubts you got, please send me. Thank you very much. Bye bye.